Have you ever wondered what is the happiness? What is real happiness? Real happiness is when you actually feel happy internally. Happiness is not what you see either on Facebook or Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, but happiness is something, it's like internal happiness. What is real happiness? You should be happy internally. Happiness motive is not to tell everybody that, oh wow, see, look at me, I'm happy. Look at my expressions. Aren't they very close to that? I am very happy. The motive is not to tell everybody, but the motive is how are you actually feeling, you yourself as a person. So ask yourself, are you happy? Sometimes you may not outwardly be able to appear happy, but internally you are feeling very contented. Sometimes you may not be with a group of friends. Sometimes you may not be sitting in a cafeteria or in a very lavish ambience restaurant, but you are still feeling happy. So just be happy the way you are.